what is white label? So the short version of white label is there are products that a specific manufacturer might make for a retailer. I'm going to use an example of like Costco and also Walmart. Walmart has its own Walmart brand, which is called Great Value. And Costco has its own brand, which is called Kirkland's. I can talk today. And both of those particular brands, those products are actually white label products. So in other words, you could reach out to a specific manufacturer that might be making a specific product and ask them if you can sell that product yourself with your own name on them. So in this example, like Kirkland's batteries, they are actually Duracell. The other thing, Costco also sells some amazing wine, and a significant amount of the wine that's sold at Costco is a name brand wine company. So when looking at white label products, like there are products that you see every single day and you think that they are the store brands, but they might actually be white label products. And so these are goods that have that white label on them, and the producers or the manufacturer who made them has already worked with those goods. And it means that you as the retailer and me as the reseller cannot set some additional options according to our own. Like if we wanted to sell it, they have some guidelines on whether or not what you can sell it. There might be some minimum prices, but the great thing is that you will be able to take that product because they've already put it together, the contents of it and the ingredients, like supplements as an example, and you can't change anything other than the marketing, the packaging, and the branding. So you're going to slap your brand on it, you're going to market for it, and the packaging on the outside might be yours. So those are some examples of white label.